What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This video I'm going to show you guys the process of basically going into a farm on Liquid Driver. I'm gonna show you the process of swapping your tokens for LP, right? I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna show you how to enter into the farm, how to begin the process, and I'm gonna also give you a tip at the end on how to kind of get a bonus on top of the farm that you're in. You know what I'm saying? So, increase your gains. That's what we're going to be going over in this video. If you're interested in that, stick around, smash the like button, and if you're new, subscribe. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Welcome to the team. First, you want to make sure you have Fantom on your wallet, and to do that you would simply just go to here and hit buy crypto, and then press buy with credit card and debit card, and then from here you just purchase the crypto that you would like to buy. Okay, so once you then purchase the Fantom, you would then go back to fiat and spot. Okay, and here you would see the balance. Right now I have mine hidden, and to do that, let's say someone's looking over your shoulder, you don't want to see your finances, you just hit this arrow and it'll hide all the preview information. Okay, so once you have the Fantom on your wallet, you would then hit withdraw, right? And then once you do that, you would then come here to your MetaMask, make sure that you're on the Fantom Opera mainnet. Okay, if you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link in the description on how to add Fantom Opera mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. So once you do that, you select the network, you show that you want to find an Opera mainnet, you then copy it to your clipboard. Okay, you're going to copy that wallet address into this field right here. Okay, copy that, and then this is the most important part, and that's selecting the correct network. Okay, so you don't want to choose Binance, even though it's going to be there. You don't want to choose Ethereum, right? You want to choose FTM, right? And once you do that, hit max. Now, let's say if you mistakenly chosen BSC or Binance Smart Chain network to send your funds to, I have a video in the description that will show you guys how to recover those funds. Don't worry, you're good. As long as you sent it to your MetaMask or a wallet that you have the keys to, the private keys to, you're fine. I got the solution in the description. Check it out. It's a lifesaver. Okay, so now that we done that, the amount I have on my Binance is about 27, so I'm gonna send the max. So you're gonna hit withdraw. Yes, that's what I want to go to. Get our codes. Once you got those in, hit submit. And yeah, the withdrawal request has been submitted, and we just wait for it to hit our wallet. That's how you send FTM from Binance to your MetaMask. Okay, maybe 1 or 2 minutes pass, and bam, the money is on. It is on my Fantom wallet. So there you go, guys. That's how you send Fantom from Binance to your MetaMask wallet. Now that we have successfully transferred our Fantom from Binance to our MetaMask, now I'm going to show you guys how to deposit money from your MetaMask into a Fantom liquidity pool. Okay, so let's go. This is Liquid Driver. It's a site that they have a yield hunting zone. Basically, you can get some pretty high yields for the FTM market. All right, so after mulling through, the one that I'm gonna go with is, and if you're looking for a way that I would diverse my portfolio in FTM, the top comments you're gonna see a link to how I would use these aggregators, to basically structure a DeFi portfolio using the Fantom market. So go ahead and check that out. But the pool that I'm gonna go with is this one, Link FTM. So the first thing you would do is you would then go to SPIRITSWAP. Right, they have a zap feature that what it does is zap your tokens into LP tokens with one click. So it kind of, instead of swapping it to Link and then come in here and then add liquidity, it does it all in one step. Okay, and another tip is, since I have 27, I advise you to do like a half of that, so you could be able to provide the liquidity. So you would come to a SPIRITSWAP, you would hit zap, right? It's gonna bring you here. You're gonna have the FTM token because it's connected to your MetaMask wallet and you're on the Fantom network. So then you choose the LP token, right? And since I'm going with FTM chain link, I then come in and look for the FTM chain link option. So we can type in link, and that's it there. So we choose that. Then I'm gonna go 50%, right? Once we done that, wait for this to populate, and yeah, okay. It's gonna ask you to confirm how it's gonna be, and that's how we want it. So we're gonna confirm again. It's gonna ask you to confirm it on your MetaMask. We're gonna go ahead and confirm that. and transaction submitted. Okay. Right now we're just waiting for confirmation. Now this right here is usually a lengthy process, and you're gonna see how long and how cheap it's gonna be on the FTM market. Because one thing about FTM is it's very fast and it's really cheap. Okay, and as you can see, success. We're done. Okay, so now that we have successfully gotten provided liquidity, got our liquidity tokens, our LP tokens, and you see it occur because my Fantom balance has been halved. So now we're gonna go back to liquidity driver, and then we're gonna come here and hit stake. Okay, and that's how much you have. So we're gonna hit max, then we're gonna hit confirm. It's gonna prompt you to confirm it on your MetaMask. Go ahead and confirm once again. And yeah, so basically you're done. You've just added liquidity to this. Just added your funds to this yield farm. Okay. So after a while, you're gonna see this through. It's gonna take a while. Okay, so you see it's gone. I think we can go and check it. So as you can see, we can come here now. This is where you see how much LQDR you're gonna be earned, and APR is gonna be split in between trading fees and LQDR, which is the token for liquid drivers. Okay, you can also take them. You can take the LQDR that you harvest, that you withdraw, and you can convert it into any coin. Right? You can go right back to SPIRITSWAP or SPIRITSWAP and swap it for any coin or any token. Right? And you can do whatever you want with it. So that's like earning free. But what I'm planning to do is taking this LQDR if I'm getting from here and then dropping it into this yield farm. So I can kind of like using that free money, those free tokens, and creating another passive income source from it. So that's my technique. Okay. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if passive income opportunities, trend analysis, technical analysis, chart analysis of cryptos, NFT reviews, if those things are right up your alley, then you're on the right channel. Give us a sub. Okay. See you guys in the next one.